Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, HRD Center of SAIL RSP adorns a new look with improved aesthetics and facilities to augment the learning ambience. And SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant set up community toilet in Shantinagar Basti, Sector 14. Now the news in detail. The Human Resources Development Center HRDC of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant now sports a refreshingly new and modern look with improved aesthetics and facilities added in the complex. Notably, the HRDC is considered the board of learning in RSP, which caters to the learning, skilling and developmental needs of all categories of employees. On 21st July 2021, a Mindfulness Center, Harmony, was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO RSP, at the HRDC. Among others, many senior officers of the plant, representatives from employee unions and officers association and employees of the plant were present on the occasion. In day-to-day life, everyone comes across a lot of external and internal conflicts. To encourage the employees to deep dive and go on soul searching by collecting thoughts and concentrating on the here and now, the dedicated space Harmony has been developed. Any employee can book a slot through HRD Center and spend time in the serene environment so as to calm the jittery nerve and indulge in self-introspection as well as retrospection. The center will be open from 10 am to 12:30 pm and again from 3 pm to 5 pm. Keeping in view the COVID guidelines at present, only 14 people will be allowed to use the facility at a time. Mr. Deepak Chatraj expressed happiness over development of the facility that would help the employees having a healthy mind. The CEO also visited the modernized model room that has been upgraded recently with a new table-mounted RSP layout, wall-mounted product which displays a glow board beyond steel making, showcasing the softer aspects of functioning of the plant, a safety lounge, a heritage photo gallery and a mural of the layout of the steel city. Mr. Chatraj also met and praised the employees who have been associated with all developmental works. Later, he, along with other dignitaries, planted saplings in the newly developed herbal garden Dhanvantri in the HRD Center complex. It is worth mentioning here that under the guidance of Mr. Deepak Chatraj, the entire landscape of the HRD Center has undergone a sea change. The building has been renovated with addition of the tiled gateway and widened driveway. An aesthetically appealing monument, the Gyanodaya, a sprawling verdant green frontage, the meadows and aesthetic lighting of the lawns and corridors. Besides, classrooms and conference hall have been made DG-enabled, a video conferencing facility convergence set up to facilitate conferences in the virtual mode, which has been of immense use during the pandemic. The community toilet constructed by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at Shaktinagar Basti, Sector 14 was dedicated by Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO RSP on 22nd July 2021. The CEO handed over the keys of the community toilet building to the community representatives in the presence of Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operations, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED PNA, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, GM in charge, MM and Marketing, Mr. A.K. Naik, CGM, TA and CSR, Mr. Pravin Nigam, CGM FNA, other senior officials and employees of the plant. Members and residents of Shaktinagar Basti were also present to witness the occasion. The facility with modern amenities includes 4 bathrooms and 9 toilets. The bathrooms are fitted with showers and towel rails. Besides, the facility is also equipped with wash basins with glass shelf and mirrors. Safety of the building is ensured with the fixing of iron grill doors at the entry passage of the building. For proper drainage, a septic tank with soak pit has been constructed. LED lights are installed for lighting facility and a fan for general convenience of the public users. 24-hour water supply has been ensured through a bore well attached with submersible pump for lifting water to the overhead tank. The facility, constructed under the ESC fund for taking up development activities of slums in and around RSP and built by Town Engineering Department of RSP, is yet another addition in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan endeavour of RSP, as envisaged by Honorable Prime Minister of India. Among other projects being undertaken as part of ESC fund utilization in and around slum areas include providing roads and drains, providing drinking water supply, providing solar power illumination, repair of community centers, etc. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.